Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to learn rhyming words. Okay, we are going to learn rhyming words. Do you know what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are words that end with same sound. Okay, rhyming words are words that ends with same sound. Now let's see this. Can you see the cards pasted here? Can you see the cards pasted here? See this. There are 5 cards here and 5 words are also written here. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. S-A-T, sat. R-A-T, rat. C-A-T, cat. Have you noticed that all these 5 words end with A-T? So what is the sound here? T sound. Okay. So all these words end with T sound. So we have learned that rhyming words are words that end with same sound. Okay. Did you understand? Shall we see it once again? So hat, mat, sat, rat and cat. All these words end with T sound. Ends with same sound. Okay. Hat, mat, sat, rat and cat. And what is the sound here? T sound. Okay. T sound. It ends with A-T and the sound is T sound. Okay. So hat, mat, sat, rat, cat. Have you heard that? T, t, t. What is the sound here? Hat, mat, sat, rat, cat. T, t, t sound, isn't it? So all these words end with t sound. Okay, all right. So we have learned rhyming words and all these words end with T sound. Okay, now we are going to see another set of rhyming words. Okay, see this. V-A-N, van. P-A-N, pan. F-A-N, fan. C-A-N, can. R-A-N, ran. M-A-N, man. Have you seen this? There are 6 words given here and all these words are ending with N sound. Okay. V-A-N, van. What is the sound? N sound. Van. Okay. Pan. What is the sound? Pan. N sound. Pan. Fan. What is the sound? Again, N sound. Fan. Okay. So have you seen this? All these words end with A-N. Okay. A-N. See. V-A-N, P-A-N, F-A-N, C-A-N, R-A-N, M-A-N. Okay. So we have seen that all these words end with N sound. A-N, A-N. Have you seen that? N sound. So, we'll repeat once again. V-A-N, van. P-A-N, pan. F-A-N, fan. C-A-N, can. R-A-N, ran. M-A-N, man. Okay. So, we learned that all these 6 words end with N sound. So they are called rhyming words. So we learned rhyming words are the words that ends with same sound. Okay. Here we learn the words that end with T sound. And what about this? We learned the words that end with N sound. Now see this, children. Here are 2 words given. Have you seen this? Two words are here and see this T-A-G, tag. B-A-G, bag. Did you find anything? What is the speciality of these two words? These two words end with G sound. Okay, ends with A-G. Okay, have you seen this? A-G. These two words end with A-G. Okay, so T-A-G. A-G is here. B-A-G. A-G is here. Have you seen this? T-A-G. Tag. Okay. B-A-G. Bag. What is the sound here? G sound. Okay. Tag. G sound. Bag. G sound. Okay. So, we studied rhyming words and we have seen 3 sets of words. The first set end with A-T. What was the sound here? T sound. Hat, mat, sat, rat, cat. What is the sound? T, t, T sound. Okay. Now this van, pan, fan, can, ran, man. So what is the sound here? N sound. Okay. Van, pan, fan, can, ran, man. N sound. Okay. Now the last one, tag, bag. Tag, bag. So what is the sound here? G sound. G, G. Okay. G sound. Tag, bag. So we learned rhyming words. We'll repeat it once again. Rhyming words are the words that end with same sound. Okay. So rhyming words are the words that end with same sound. Did you understand? Okay. Now shall we do an activity? Are you ready to do an activity? Okay. We'll do an activity. So children, we have learned rhyming words. Here is an activity for you. Now let's see this. Look at the picture and write the rhyming word. Okay. So some words are given here and some pictures are also given here. What we have to do is we have to look at the picture and write the rhyming word here. Okay. Did you understand? Now see this. C-A-T. Cat. Okay. C-A-T. Cat. And a picture is given here. What is this? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a rat. Okay, this is a rat. Cat, rat. Cat, rat. Okay, so what is the rhyming word of cat? Rat. Okay, so we have to write here rat. Okay. Did you understand? So, cat, rat. Cat, rat. The picture of rat is given here and we have written rat here. Okay. Now the second one. B-A-G. Bag. Okay. B-A-G. Bag. Bag is given here and a picture is also given here. So we have learned the rhyming word of bag. Do you remember it? What is the rhyming word of bag? The rhyming word of bag is tag. Okay. Tag. So T-A-G. The rhyming word of bag is tag. And we have written here tag. Okay. Now the third one. T-A-P. Tap. Isn't it? T-A-P. Tap. And what is this picture? This is a cap. So what we have to write here? Tap, cap. Tap, cap. Cap. Very good. So we have to write here cap. Now the fourth one, C-A-N. Can. Okay. C-A-N. Can. And a picture is given here. This is the picture of a man. Okay, this is the picture of a man. Can, man. Can, man. So what we have to write here? Man. Very good, children. So we have to write here man. So the rhyming word of can is man. Okay. Now the next one, M-A-T, mat. Can you see this? M-A-T, mat. Okay. And a picture of a hat is given here. Okay. So the rhyming word of mat is hat. Mat, hat. Mat, hat. So what we have to write here? Hat. Okay, so we have to write here hat. Okay, now the last one, V-A-N, van, and a picture of a pan is given here. V-A-N, van, and what is this? Pan. So van, pan, van, pan. What we have to write here? Pan. Very good. So we have to write here pan. The rhyming word of van is pan. So shall we repeat it once again? Say this. Cat, rat. Cat, rat. Tag, bag. Tag, bag. Tap, cap. Tap, cap. Man, can. Man, can. Mat, hat. Mat, hat. And pan, van. Pan, van. Okay, did you understand? So we learned rhyming words and we have done an activity. So is it clear for you, children? Is it clear for you? Okay. See you in next class. Thank you.